Hi and welcome to my HTML tutorial for beginners series. In today's video, we will cover the BR tag. What is the BR tag used for? Well, when you add the BR element to text, it produces a line break. This makes it useful if you want to divide an address or a poem up into different lines. Let's look at an example. Here I have a fake address nested inside an address and a paragraph tag. Although each address line is on a different line in my code editor, it still displays on a single line when I open the page in the browser. To resolve this, I can just add the BR tag to the end of each line. As you can see, the BR tag does not have a closing tag. Let's save the changes and reload the page. Now you can see that the address is divided into several lines. If you have a lot of text and you want to divide it up into separate paragraphs, do not use the BR tag, but instead the P tag, which stands for the paragraph tag. This is it for this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I will try to answer. Also, if you are interested in learning web development, subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.